guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another old Yale padlock. I've got a few of these in my vintage collection. I love them to bits because of all the engraving that's on there. This was given to me in a trade by fantastic JJ on our UK Locksport forum. He's a great picker to say he's only been sort of picking a small amount of time. He's fairly new to picking, so visit his channel, and it's Javid Patel on YouTube. Brilliant picker. No key with this, so go getting it open. Sort of very light tension. I just adjust a little bit now and again. Start at the back and work to the front. There you go, it's picked. You can see there, but the shackle does not pop out on its own, so I've got to push it in, pull it out. Let's do that one more time. Locked back up. Again to the back, light tension, and get in, that is. Just adjust the finger now and again. There you go. Picked again. It's a lovely old lock. Might need a bit of lubricant inside, maybe, I'm not sure. But it picks open really well. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Free to join, fantastic competitions that are free to enter, where you can win all sorts of bits and pieces, from picks, locks, etc., bump keys. We also have our own store, which is specialkeys.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.